Morning everybody, Todd here, Mark Legacy Acres. Hey, today we're getting internet at the pole barn. We're going to put up, at least I hope we are, we're going to put up the Starlink and see if that really works. So, yeah, come on, see if we can figure out how to get internet all by ourselves. The instructions are painfully easy. I mean, it really is. Plug in a couple things and you can't do it wrong. The hardest part that we've had so far was getting this out, because we're putting in a different adapter. So this is in the back. It's for if you just want to put it on the ground. We don't. The other thing I will warn you on, and I'll show you that in just a second, as I show you the actual pieces. I was going to try it on the ground because I saw some other videos where they did. My son talked me out of it because the connectors have boots on them. So you know how you go and you pinch the little tab to get some of the connectors out? With a boot on them, that's going to be much more difficult. I'm guessing we could have done it, but I'm glad we didn't have to try. So we got that all hooked up and strung through. And again, I'm going to go show you that right now. It's time to go, and after I show you that, go and actually put it up on the roof and see if we can make it work. All right, here are the actual pieces that we've got hooked up upstairs. Again, these little rubber boots, don't know if you can really see them. It would be, I don't know how I'd get those out if I needed to. So luckily we did not put it downstairs, because we would not have been able to run the cables as easily as we did. Sorry about the lighting up here, but yeah, those are the pieces. I mean, could it be easier? I don't think so. I don't think so. So let's go get up on the roof and get this thing hooked up and see if we can get internet. Just put the hydraulics down. You got a little bigger step than you had.
Yeah.
Middle one again.
That'll do.
That will do. Small level?
Tougher to see there.
I can see. Towards you, I think. Oh, too far. That's pretty close, right? If that's 10 mil, that's what socket you've got.
What are the chances that's also a 10? It is?
It's 10.
Okay.
Hopefully it's deep enough.
It will be.
Looks pretty good, don't it?
That'll do.
So it's mapping now. All the white dots are mapped, I assume satellites. The gray are unmapped. And the red is obstructions. And we have no red yet. So pretty excited about that. They say it takes about an hour for this to happen. So we'll see how it all works out.
That'll do, right?
Yeah, looks great. All right, so he's taking the cord, put underneath the ridge cap to make it nice and neat and all that kind of good stuff. Don't know if you can see it or not. I know everybody that's filming YouTube videos says I don't know if you can see it, but in our screen we really can't tell if you can see it. So we're going to test the speed. It looks like, I'll throw a screen showing you what I'm seeing as I'm seeing it. It looks like 200 megabits per second download. I don't know, is that good? I think it is. I think it's good. And it looks like we're going to be around 20 to 23 megabits per second upload and 27 milliseconds latency. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Hey, I'm happy with it. Yeah, let me know what you think.